Welcome to my art channel Lyrical Art by Sanchuita. My name is Sanchuita. Today's video topic is Ganesh Chaturthi mandala art. If you are new guest on my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more new ideas. Let's start the video without delay. Here are the things I used to draw in this video. First, Febar Castell Pitt Artist Color Pen size 8. Second, Febar Castell Textliner Classic Highlighter and Transparent Sheet. These are the colors I used: orange, pink, blue and neon colors. See how I drew in the video. If you have trouble understanding the time-lapse video, please comment to make a video in real time. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, comment. Everyone will be fine and healthy. See you in the next video.